Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set text selection on the Notein application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. New, go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen. And here go to the second section, the tool settings, and here you can find the text selection, the first option, and here you can select the lock text selection, the allow, or the finger only text selection option. And if you want to select, for example, the lock text selection, just click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.